Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making some amazing, yes guys, eggplant or bouillon choka. This is beautifully made and it has a secret ingredient, so I hope you guys stay tuned to the end to find out what that is. If you guys are new, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment. Let's jump right into this video. Here I have the list of my ingredients. I would have already washed my bouillon or eggplant. Then we are going to make some small incisions. So I made about 9 to 10 incisions and then I inserted some garlic. Awesome. Our next step here, guys, is to drizzle some oil right over the eggplant and over the habanero pepper and tomato. We are going to wrap these up in foil paper. Place this in a 400 degrees oven for about 35 minutes. Then we are going to roast, as I mentioned, for 35 minutes, and this is what it looks like. This is piping hot, guys, so please be careful. Then we're going to scoop all that goodness out into a really nice clean bowl. It is hot, really hot. Mash that up. I did mash the habanero pepper and the tomato as well. I added some green onion. And this right here, guys, is our secret ingredient. Please, if you guys can find the smoked sea salt, this is going to take your bouillon choka to a whole other level, trust me. Then we are going to add some butter to some oil, melt that. We're going to add some sliced onions. When it becomes about translucent, about a minute and a half, we're going to pour that hot mixture right in the bouillon and mix everything well. Taste and adjust your seasoning here. You can add some bouillon, some all-purpose seasoning. The amount that I use will also be in the description box. This was perfect. I sprinkled a little bit of black pepper, added some fresh onions, garnish, and this was eaten with some chapati. Oh my gosh. Guys, thank you all so much for spending the time with me. Please, please, please go find that salt. So please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. Please, guys, go make this. Find that sea salt if you can. And you see what I'm talking about.